The world is a stage, and we're all actors, right? But some scripts should never leave the rehearsal room. Let's dive right into the 10 things you should never, ever share with anyone, no matter how close you think you are. Your financial status. Money talks, but it should only be whispering in your ear. Whether you're a high roller or pinching pennies, your financial situation is your business. Sharing it can change how people see you, and not always for the better. Dreams and aspirations. It's tempting to shout your goals from the rooftops. But hold on. Sharing your dreams can actually sap your motivation. Plus, you open yourself up to unsolicited advice and judgment that can derail your focus. Drama lures. Know someone who's always stirring the pot? Don't give them the spoon. Keep your secrets locked up tight, or you'll find yourself the star of someone else's drama. Your Achilles heel. Everyone has weaknesses. Yours could be anything from a fear of spiders to a competitive streak. Keep it under wraps. Knowledge is power, and you don't want to hand someone the keys to your downfall. Other people's secrets. If someone confides in you, that's a sign of trust. Betraying it not only hurts them but also paints you as unreliable. Keep those secrets like you're a human vault. Judgy vibes. We all have opinions, but being openly critical can alienate people. Plus, you never know who's listening. Keep your judgments to yourself and be a beacon of positivity instead. Inner struggles. We all have our battles. But sharing your inner turmoil with the wrong person can backfire. Seek help from trusted individuals or professionals, but don't make it public knowledge. Your past baggage. Everyone has a history, some of it heavy. Sharing it with the wrong person can lead to stigmatization. Your past shaped you but doesn't define you. Keep it that way. Relationship rants. Angry at your partner or friend? Venting to the wrong person can come back to haunt you. Keep relationship issues within the relationship or consult someone you trust implicitly. Intimate moments. Some experiences are meant to be cherished privately between you and your partner. Sharing intimate details can breach trust and dilute the specialness of the moment. So there you have it, 10 things to keep under lock and key. Because in this age of oversharing, a little mystery goes a long way. Keep these things to yourself, and you'll not only protect your privacy but also maintain healthier relationships. Trust me, some scripts are better left unshared.